I walked where silence used to sing, under skies that knew my name. Now the mirror speaks in riddles, a stranger wearing my face. The streetlights flicker memories of laughter caught in time's cruel glass. When I believed in endless things, now I just watch them pass. Was it me or just a shadow? Was it love or just a dream? My truth dissolves in echoes. I forget what I used to mean. In the quiet I hear violins pulling heartstrings wrapped in doubt. Lost the self I thought I knew, but I'm learning to live without. Through the haze I find a flame, a light not shaped like you. From echoes I once knew. Yesterday